my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family rotisserie chicken. And I'm doing it in my air fryer. Alright. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Before all of this, I washed the birds in vinegar and water. Then I added lime juice all over them, inside and outside. Now right now I'm just building the dry rub. Whatever I'm using in my dry rub and you don't want on your chicken, just leave it out. Remember, my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. God bless you. Feel free to use the same method on your Thanksgiving turkey. It works. I tried it. So Thanksgiving is coming up. Use it. God bless you. Now just allow these to sit covered for as long as you can. The longer they marinate, the better they will taste. Let's work it now. Come on now, bring the restaurant home. Right here, I'm just tying up the bird with some dental floss. Now this is the regular dental floss. This isn't flavored. Don't use the flavored dental floss, please. So I'm just working it. Still bringing the restaurant home doing it. Ha ha. Shout out goes to Andrea Bell. Andrea, I just want to thank you publicly for such a generous PayPal donation. Melda 242 wants to say thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. You are my Caribbean cousin. That's how we do it. Okay, it's 10 more minutes to go before the time is up. And right here, I'm just reducing the temperature just to slow the cooking down. Continue watching. Okay, this tells me that I'm really gonna need to get the adjustable skewers racks. That's the part that helps the shaft to spin. And this would in turn cause the meat to cook evenly because it's spinning in all that hot goodness. So that's on the way. Until then, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.